Welcome. Today we'll walk you through how to use the Crestron touch panels found in many classrooms across campus. We know that having consistent technology in every classroom makes teaching easier. Right now, about 90% of our classrooms feature a Crestron touch panel just like this one, and that number is growing with every refresh cycle. Let's get started. When you first walk into the room, the Crestron screen might be black. As you approach the touch panel, it should wake up on its own, but if not, just touch the screen to wake it up. Once it's awake, follow the on-screen instructions and tap Begin. You'll now see a menu of available sources. These are the devices you can display on the projector or TV. Let's start with the classroom computer. Tap the computer icon. Give it a few seconds. It may take a moment for the system to power up. When it's ready, you'll see the computer desktop appear on the display. Log in with your TCU username and password. And if you're using a wireless keyboard, make sure it's turned on before logging in. Next, let's look at the Blu-ray player. Select the Blu-ray icon. Wait a few seconds as the system switches inputs. Then you'll see the Blu-ray menu appear on the screen. You can control playback directly from the panel. Play, pause, stop, and navigate just like you would with a remote. If the player doesn't power on automatically, simply tap the power button on the panel. To use your own laptop, choose the laptop HDMI input. Plug your device into the HDMI cable at the podium. If your computer doesn't show up right away, go into your display settings or system preferences and select mirrored displays to match what's on screen. And don't forget your adapter if your laptop doesn't have an HDMI port. Now, let's check out the document camera. If your room includes one, you'll find that off to the side on a shelf or AV cart. Make sure the device is plugged into an HDMI cable and that the power is plugged in. Make sure the device is powered on. You'll use the camera's built-in controls for most functions, but if you have a ceiling-mounted camera, the touch panel will show zoom and focus options. Another great option is AirMedia. This lets you share your laptop or mobile device wirelessly without any cables. You can download the AirMedia software at www.tcu.edu/airmedia. On the screen, you'll see an IP address and access code. Enter those into the app to start sharing. AirMedia is perfect for teaching from anywhere in the room, or for student collaboration when multiple people want to share their screens. However, for videos or movies, we recommend using the classroom computer or HDMI input for best image and sound quality. From the home screen, use the volume up or down buttons to control sound levels. The mute button silences the audio, but the image on the screen will stay visible. To access advanced features, tap the gear icon on the home screen. Your menu may look a little different depending on the equipment in your classroom, but here are a few common options. Display controls. You can manually turn displays on or off, or mute the image if you need privacy while preparing materials. In rooms with multiple displays, you can show different sources on each one. For example, the computer on one projector and AirMedia on the other. Volume levels. In larger classrooms, typically those with 50 seats or more, you'll see controls for microphones or assisted listening systems. You can adjust or mute each one from this menu. Camera controls. In rooms equipped with cameras, you can pan, tilt, zoom, and select which camera to use. This is especially helpful for video conferencing or recording sessions. Finally, let's go over how to power down. Press the power button on the home screen. You'll be asked to confirm. Tap Yes to turn off the projector and reset the system to its default state. Wait about 15 to 20 seconds before turning it back on so everything powers down completely. Before you leave the classroom, remember to shut down the display equipment. Log out of the computer. And take your personal devices. If you ever need immediate classroom support, call us at 817-257-7121. You'll find this number on a sticker in every classroom. Just look for it near the podium or panel. And that's it. You're now ready to navigate the Crestron touch panel with confidence. Thanks for watching and have a great class.